let's just jump into it because we're going to be looking at the Sqlmigrate. So let's just look at it. Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be back continuing with our Django series. So where we left off last time was we ran our make migrations and we created our 0001.initial.py file, and this is what happens. So to remind you, this is just the one part, and to remind you, migrations only changes the database. So we now make migrations made the file. So there is one step we needed to do just so we can really familiarize ourselves. We need to look and see what this is going to truly do. And there is a step. So what we're going to look at today is the actual changing of this new migration class, and then how to look at it pre and then to make it. So all right, let's just jump into it because we're going to be looking at the Sqlmigrate. So let's just look at it. And so boom, let's see. It is, so if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. Now also, all right, so to remind you, you need to be in your project file and where, just so you don't have to move around, in where your manage.py is. So you run this, you do your cmd, your command, you get this up. So Python, because that's what we want to run, then we're going to run the manage.py, then Sqlmigrate with our polls app with 001. Alright, so what, let's see, and you guys know what I'm about to say. Again, if you're new, you know I can't spell. So, alright, so this is going to be, what this does is this gives you the code, the SQL code, our structured query language code. So begin, create our model, create table. So this is sitting out there. That is what then we need to run with Python manage.py, and then we need to run it. We need to run it again. Migrate, because there we go. So now we can come here and we can look. I need to pull that up. I got my folder right here. Database. So now everything just got created. No, I don't need that. Boom. So we have, there we go. There's our new database that just got created. So we're going to continue on because I know that this can get out of hand extremely quickly. So, and I know that you can stump and you can make a mistake and you can have all kinds of issues. But I want, like we always do here, we make micro videos. One thing at a time, we solve the problem, we go on from here. So there's that, and here's our other table. So there we go, guys, and we're just going to be continuing on and building as we go. So please drop any comments, questions, because I'm sure there's some errors that you're getting. Let's just jump on them before they get out of hand, and we go from there. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.